Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Monday. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. We made it. We got another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Take advantage of Amazon Prime's fast and free shipping. You'll get this one in no time. About to find out what's inside. Ooh. There we go. Cut. Boom. Alright. Snip. Snip. Got in here. Bada boom. We got some earbuds. True wireless headphones. Nice white earbuds. Crazybaby Nano. Check them out. Link will be down below for sure. Here we go. Focused, man. It's kind of focused. What do we got here? 15-hour battery life. Ooh, nice. Bluetooth 5.0. Embedded microphone. What's in the box? The Nano True Wireless or the Nano 1S. Silicone air tips. Small, medium, large. Charging capsule. And USB-C charging cable. Cool. Them right there. Get inside. Yeah, definitely see what other goodies they have to offer. And I think this also comes in black. So I choose the white because I got the Galaxy S10 Plus, and I got the white version this time. Switch it up a little bit, but pretty impressive phone so far. But here we go. Let's talk about these speakers. I think I might have to get my other phone and whatchamacallit, try these out for you guys, let you know. If I can open it, drop down here, that's what it looks like out of the box. Nice capsule right there. Fits in your pocket, your fanny packs, your purses. How do I open this? There we go. Tape right here. But it's easy setup. You guys gotta scroll through your Bluetooth, press the button, let it hold for a few seconds, then it'll pop up probably what is it? True what? Nano. Reminds me of that show Mork and Mindy. Oh, here we go. Got some stuff in here. That's cool how they have this all set up. These are the small, medium, large tips for your ears or your well, we don't need those. That's what it looks like. Small, medium, large. Pretty cool. And manual. We don't need it. Easy to set up. Interesting. What the heck? Come on. That's kind of nifty. I'm going to cut around it. Dang. Still nothing. Get a little closer. I don't know if there's a trick to it, but I'm not sure if this is the right way to open these, but give it a try. I can't still open these. Some kind of pull tab down here. I'll be right back. Alright, we are back live. So I took it out finally, and there we go. Don't need that. So, like I said, kind of looks like a lipstick, chapstick type thing. Case. Whoa. Whoa. It's like a torpedo. It's like, check it out. Really nice. Bam. Now you see me? connection going on here. Alright, let's see. Oh, there's a magnet, or magnets. There you go. Plug it in here, charge it up. Oh, these are nice. Button is gonna be, here's the left one. Oh, it's on right there. Ooh, see the glow? Why isn't this one not turning? Okay. Put these in. And all I gotta do is search the Bluetooth settings. Put these in my ear. See how they feel. I'm gonna jam out for whoa. Oh yeah, these are nice. Definitely for your workouts, bike riding, hiking, walk around the neighborhood, your yoga classes. These are really nice. So there you go. Bluetooth mode activated. What, 5.0 I said. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. Really cool. True wireless. Sounds great. Like I said, I listen to hip hop a lot, so it sounds really clear. Nice bass to it. So pretty much I'm sure for like others like rock and roll and stuff, they'll sound good. And like I said, these are lightweight to carry around. Put them in your front pockets, your whatever you guys carry. You can put them in there. You just got to drop it in. Drop. I think like that. Oh. Try to keep this under 10 minutes. I'll put that there. But definitely these are great sound. Oh, they got them labeled. Duh. They got them left and right. Okay, so left side, right side, left side. Go. And then tiny little guys. There we go. Left, right. Close. Boom. Take these out. Show you guys again. Bam. Alright, YouTubers, so you guys be safe. Have a great day. See you guys soon. See ya.